So it turns out, 4-wheel drive 24/7 has job vacancies. Let's see what they're looking for. You need to have proven video shooting and editing experience, a complete understanding of Adobe Premiere Pro and all of its tools, and a load of other things. Please provide examples in your resume cover letter. I think I should apply for this job. I'd better make a video to show them. Hello, my name is MAB Guy, and I'm applying for the job of video editor for 4-wheel drive 24/7. I feel like I would be a great candidate for this position because I have fantastic video editing skills. For example, you see that? I am not carrying an explosion in my hand. This is a special effect. Also,
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。
amazing, right? I'm also a professional drone pilot. As you can see, I have gathered many majestic shots in the past. And I also have a 100% success rate. Successful crashes, that is. I also have extremely good sound quality sense, as you can tell from this video. Also, here is a better example. Now, to cover strengths and weaknesses, I am big and strong enough to carry a camera more than once. As demonstrated by watching me bicep curl this can twice. And in terms of weaknesses, unfortunately, I am not very good at generating false hype for videos. Anyway, I have been MAB Guy. Thank you for consideration for this job application. My salary expectations are at least $500,000 a year. Please do not contact me unless this is the case. Bye. So now we play the waiting game. Fingers crossed.